Hail damage can mean anything from light dents to cracked windshields or roof issues. If it's bad, the car could be a total loss on paper, but that doesn't mean it's junk. If the damage is mostly cosmetic and the car runs great, you might score a reliable ride at a lower price. But be careful. Not all hail-damaged cars are created equal. Some have hidden structural damage or a salvage title. So, always inspect before you invest. When you find the right one, it could be a real bargain. For more exclusive tips, follow us on social media or visit our website today.